So there's your box.
Thanks.
They don't know what's in it yet.
Oh, what's in the box?
Well, it could be nothing. It could just be a bunch of bubbles.
By the way, she just got her hair done. Or hair did. How do you say it? How's it look?
Look at all the stickers. I love stickers. I have no place to ever put them.
Okay, first off, let's hide that address label right there. Shows my full name and everything. Anyways, proceed.
It's called the Sena 20S Motorcycle Bluetooth Communication System.
Oh, she can read, guys.
I know.
Just joking.
Rude.
Oh, there it is.
Whoa!
Sena 20S.
You know what's funny is a lot of your viewers will already have this.
That's true. Most riders do.
So this is really nothing. It's just exciting for me.
So that's the base unit, and this is the microphone that you can change with. There's like 3 other microphones in there. Oh. Depending on the style of helmet that you have. Yeah. That is the speakers. This is the helmet that we will be installing it on. The HJC Alpha 11 Pro. This is the hardware. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's install this thing. So it's finally installed. As you can see, we're outside and it is a rainy day here in Vancouver. It's extremely rainy. And she's gonna be putting it on for the first time.
Just put it on right now?
Yeah, put it on right now. I'll teach you how to put it into pairing mode and everything. So to turn it on, you're pressing, you have to use your hands. You're pressing this button here.
The middle?
That middle button, yeah. And the back button at the same time.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Did you hear it?
Yeah!
Okay. She's so
Whoa! It went doo-doo-doo.
there.
Oh!
It's looking for a Bluetooth device, right?
Yeah! Oh, Sena! My headset is paired!
Okay, perfect. So try playing some music.
Where's that song that I can't stop listening to? Hey!
Okay, so you need to download the Sena app.
Oh,
and then you can
Sena app?
Yeah, and then you can put 3 speed dials. Put one of them for me, thanks. And then basically you tap this bottom button here. There's a bottom button here, right there. You tap that, it'll say a command. And you can look at the instructions if you want for what kind of commands you can say.
Because you won't look at the instructions.
I know some of them. I only use a few, right? There's you can go like speed dial 1, speed dial 2, speed dial 3. You can say play music.
That's so cool! Wow, now I don't have to listen, like use it, fiddle with my earbuds or like, and stuff like that.
Yep.
Awesome, I need a different song.
Look at this, guys. My neighborhood is so wet.
Turn off chill. Turn off chill time. Turn off chill time.
3 days later.
Were you waiting long?
No.
I was lane splitting to get here quicker, yeah. Felt good.
You think you're so cool.
Made me feel like I was in LA.
You think you're so cool, but you're not. I'll wait until we get to a place where we're gonna eat.
Oh, you want to eat?
Not yet, but like later.
Okay.
Are you hungry?
I'm hungry right now, but I don't mind riding while we have daylight first. And then we'll eat afterwards. Yeah. Man, your neighborhood sucks. I slipped almost like 2 times.
Well, then don't drive so recklessly.
No, I'm just like taking a slow turn on a corner. It's a sharp corner, but then like I feel my back tire slide out.
Yeah.
Dangerous neighborhood for a bike. What are you wearing right now?
I got stockings and then.
Are those your knee pads?
I don't. Those are just my knees. I don't have pants.
This is me saying no in disgust, huh?
You know what? You can help me choose the pants that I want to buy because I'm debating between 3.
So I'm gonna bump out if I'm gonna start vlogging, okay? But we'll see. You know what? I can share music with you, okay? I'll share music with you. One sec. I'll play you some Selena Gomez. Actually, we'll do Bruno Mars. Holy shit! I'm slipping. Jesus Christ! I almost slipped there. So for some miraculous reason, the sun decided to come out today, and we decided that we'd go for a ride. Take advantage of the opportunity because I think it's gonna rain again tomorrow, and we'll be heading over to Horseshoe Bay. Oh man, Arielle, what you doing? Uh-oh, maybe that Sena was a bad idea. You're too distracted now. I posted a story the other day where I downloaded the audio backpack for the GoPro. So in the future vlogs, whenever I get that, should be about a week or 2 weeks from now, I'll be able to capture anybody who's connected with me on my Sena. I'll be able to capture their audio, and basically you'll hear both sides of our conversation while we're talking. So how was your day? Yeah, I'm talking to you now. You had 2 cups of coffee this morning? Oh. Hey, what do you think about this car right here? The BMW i8. Too much? Too much what? Too much flaunting. Oh, okay. Wow. I like how you brought us through downtown. Amazing. Simply amazing. Oh, really? Oh. I thought you were like the biggest genius in the world or something. Ooh, we got a McLaren here. An orange and black McLaren. It's coming here. There it is. There it is right there. Damn! So if you talk loud enough, I'll be able to hear you through the mic in here. Yeah. Not that loud. But louder. Oh man. Wow, you're not kidding, huh? Maybe we shouldn't go here then. Save it for another day. English Bay as in the one near Stanley Park? Sure, let's go. Turn right here, turn right here. I'll show you where. For my very first vlog, I parked right here too. And then we walked over there. Yeah.
Lion King? Ah, it's a good Don't get that though. Is this a video? When did you switch?
No flash. Here, give me my keys, please.
Give me my keys, please. What give me? May I have my keys? Hey!
What do you say?
May I have my keys, please?
Give me mine. Same time. Same time. Nice try. Same time. You leave your palm out. You let the key touch it. Do not grab it yet until we both have an agreement. Okay, we'll both have our...
Yours is touching yours. Okay.
There you go.
Stop, it's falling close now. Stop! Yeah, stop!
Yeah, I'm just joking. I'll let you lead the way. Sure, go ahead.
Oh my gosh, your followers will love that. Stop it!
Such a slow reaction. I would have turned that off a long time ago.
These scooters free. I don't know why.
Electric scooters. We have to pay for them separately?
Well, if you pay with this, it covers the whole spot. But if you pay with the app, it only covers...
Then we pay by this. How long do you think we need? What the fuck, a minute?
You put 5 cents in, what do you expect? That's a penny.
Let's just, let's do like an hour 20 just to make sure. Yeah, okay, let's go get something to eat.